Hello, investor and trader. Welcome back to another episode of Live Day Trading Recap. This morning was very laggy for me on Fidelity platform, also TD Ameritrade platform because I have both brokers and I compare them both. Like, damn, this is laggy. And also, my friend was using Robinhood and E-Trade also lag. I think we happened to the GameStop situation in Wall Street, so people were freaking out. I don't know, but it was very lag, and I captured the footage, so that's pretty cool. So at the open, I was looking at Amazon and I was looking at Adobe. But I decided to trade Adobe instead. So let's get to it. Let me pass forward a little faster. So I was watching Amazon. I'm watching this level right here. But unfortunately, I didn't pull the trigger. So let me pass forward. I decided to trade Adobe instead. It hits right there real quick, but missed it. And it was lag, like I said. It was very lag. So let's go to Adobe. I enter Adobe at 35.05, so it's pretty soon, like another 30 seconds. So I was watching Adobe. I noticed there's very strong support at 360. So I decided to enter around that price right there, market order. It was very lag, so I just want to get in. Again, a resistance around 463. So that's like what, $2 upside ish or dollar ish. Notice the spread. It's very wide. So I sold it around based on my record is at 638.30. So another 2 minute and a half. Let me pass forward. Right here. This is where I sold it. So that was a good trade. Now notice, it's 400. It's not $400 profit. Do the math right here, right? It's over 1,000. See how lag it is? Even the computer can't even add. Now it refreshed itself to 1,400. See what I mean? It sucks, man. The worst part about this is, thank goodness, because last time this happened to me where it lags, I doubled my position because when I placed my market order, it would not show up right here. I'm like, what happened? So I placed it again 2 times, and next thing I know, the order shows up twice. I doubled my position, and that time I was freaking out. This was like several weeks ago. I don't want that to experience that, so I'm very cautious when it's laggy. So I'm done with that. I'm like, you know what, 1400 sounds good today, and it held a lag. But then I noticed something as time goes on. Just chit chat with my friends in the chat room, and then I noticed I checked my old position on my other account, and I noticed LLIT is popping up right here. I'm like, oh, what the heck happened right here? So I decided, okay, I need to get out. LLIT, I bought this stock a long time ago, like almost a year already. It's just a small position. It was for fun back then for me, but it just went down. I'm like, okay, let's see when it's gonna pop back up. So I've been holding this stock like almost a year. It's a tiny position. I don't really care about it. But then today it just popped. So I got very excited. I had my limit order. It got halted, and finally the market reopened, and I got out. It got halted several times. This thing went all the way up to $13. I'm like, damn. Crazy ass penny stock. Look at the spread. The spread is also wide, 30 cents. For $8 stock, that's significant. So I'm about to get out right here pretty soon. You can see the order right here. The and the limit. Okay, I filled. Okay, so I made like 100 something bucks on that. That was pretty cool. Okay, so then I decided, you know what? Let's make another trade if it's possible. If I find anything good. Nope, it got halted right here again at 950. So then I began to trade Costco right here. Enter Costco 59, 359 below 360. Costco is also funny. I made a trade on Costco a couple weeks ago and I took a little loss. So again, it's a wash sale. So it can show me negative, but it's not really negative because of my previous loss. And I'll explain more in detail in a little bit after this footage. So I sold Costco. Let me pass forward like 3 minutes later. That was a pretty quick trade. I hit my price target, so I just get out. So I sold it at 58. This is 55. I'm talking about the time. So let me speed up 2 more minutes and I sold out Costco. I noticed right here the resistance. That's why I sold out pretty soon. I think I sold out at 360.50 almost. Because the resistance right here on the daily candle. Okay, about to place my order pretty soon. Exit. Okay, so notice the price here is over $1. Let me have 1,000 shares, should be 1,000 something, right? But it's a wash sell, so it's negative because I lost money on Costco, my previous trade. See, it had to did that twice. You see, I said 300, and then it said 1,000 something. Again, it was very laggy. Okay, so now let's get to the P&L on the statement, on the broker statement. So, what is this? Oh, this is 2019. Let's go to 2020. What the heck? 2021. So let's go to 2021. Okay. So far I'm up 17,000 day trading account. Okay, so you see these W's right here? These are wash sales. So Costco, notice the price is incorrect again with this one, with the footage you guys see. Now, I think this is more accurate than the platform because the platform is very laggy. So that means, no, actually the platform is correct. This is not correct. All I know is I lost around $2,000 in Costco and I made 1,000 something. That means I'm still down 1,000. So if I made let's say I made $100 plus Costco, right, my next trade, it's not going to show $500 profit. Sorry, 500. If I made a trade and I made like $500 profit on Costco on my next trade, it's not going to show plus 500. It's going to show negative 600 because notice I'm down 1100 right here. So I'm not going to have positive until I clear this up, if that makes any sense, because due to the wash sell. So you can see here, T-Doc, I took a $1,000 loss this month. So if I try T-Doc and I made $1,000, for instance, my next trade or tomorrow, it won't show positive 1,000. It's going to show negative $55.49 until I clear up the whole amount, then it show green, if that makes sense. And I also took a $2,000 loss in trade. So yep, up 17K. I passed my goal. My goal each month is a minimum of 15,000. That's my goal. So I beat it already. So that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much for today. Other than that, I don't want to trade anymore. The platform is laggy. Everything is just not seems good today for some reason. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.